In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce emails in WordPress using a free email customizer plugin. We're going to walk through the full process of editing your store emails so they look more professional, match your brand, and give customers a better experience. This is especially useful if you want your order emails to feel polished and consistent instead of using the default WooCommerce design. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for your website, including plugins, WooCommerce settings, and your email design. Once you're inside the dashboard, go ahead and install the free email customizer plugin shown in the tutorial. Make sure you're choosing the correct plugin version so the interface matches what you see on screen. After the plugin finishes installing, activate it. Activation is what makes the plugin available in your WordPress menu and allows you to start customizing your WooCommerce emails right away. Next, open the WooCommerce email customizer section. This area is where you'll build and edit the email templates that your customers receive. Once you're there, select the specific email you want to customize. For example, this could be an order confirmation, processing order email, or completed order message. Choosing the right template first is important because each email may need slightly different wording and layout. Now begin branding the email by adding your logo and brand information. This helps customers immediately recognize that the message is coming from your store. Keep your logo clear and properly sized so it displays nicely across different devices. After that, change the background, text, button, and heading styles. This is where you can make the email match your website branding more closely. Try to use colors and fonts that are easy to read and visually consistent. For buttons in particular, make sure the contrast is strong enough so they stand out clearly. Once the design is in place, edit the email content and footer. Adjust the wording so it sounds natural and fits your brand voice, while still keeping the message clear and helpful. In the footer, you can include your store-related details and any standard closing information you want customers to see. Then add WooCommerce order information wherever it's required. This ensures the email includes the necessary dynamic details, such as order-related content, in the correct sections. Before finishing, preview the email on both desktop and mobile. This step is very important because formatting can look different depending on screen size. After that, send a test email so you can check the real inbox version and confirm that everything appears correctly. Once you've reviewed the layout, content, and branding, save the template after confirming that everything looks correct. And that's it! Your WooCommerce email is now customized and ready to send.